Welcome to the machine installation site of our customers in Indonesia. Customers have a lot of palm fruit clusters needed to be processed. So, the customers' raw materials are palm fiber palm shells. Raw material fed into a continuous carbonization furnace via a belt conveyor. This carbonization furnace liner drum is made of stainless steel, which is high temperature resistance. After 20 to 40 minutes of carbonization, you'll get palm fiber charcoal and palm shell charcoal. The discharge is very smooth. The carbonized charcoal is crushed and evenly fed into a roller mixer. Finally, feeding into a briquetting machine, you can get BBQ charcoal. This time, our customers chose hydraulic press and honeycomb coal machine. Besides, we have many briquette machines to choose. You can buy any machine you want from changing line machinery. Welcome to contact us for a quotation.